Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe, and thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching this video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much, and let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and use this Makeup Forever primer to prime my face.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation using this Miss Rose Professional Makeup Foundation.
Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You were a dream that I could finally see.
To highlight my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this LA Girl Pro Concealer.
I just want us to always be, to always be.
To set my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this Black Apple finishing powder. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place.
Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love.
Now to contour my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this MAC Powder Blush. I'm going to go ahead and use this Hyper Real Glow by MAC Cosmetics to glow my face.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You were a dream that I could finally see.
So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.